This tutorial video will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to pay your vendor, tax, rent, etc. with your credit card balance. To get started, click on My Account, then go to My Cards page, and initiate the process by clicking the plus new button to input your credit card details. Enter your card nickname and click Add. Next, fill out the necessary billing information and payment details, and finalize the process by clicking the Authorize button. Your card will now be successfully added to the list. To initiate a fund transfer, select your preferred card and click on the Send Money button. From there, you have the option to choose ACH or direct deposit, wire, virtual card, or check mail for the transaction. For example, we will choose ACH or direct deposit. Enter the desired amount here. Your selected card will be visible here. You can change the selection from the drop-down, or to add another card, just click here. Next, select your payee from this drop-down, or add a new payee by clicking here. The payee's email address and bank account details will be pre-filled automatically if you have already added them. Before processing the payment, you can review your payee's personal and account details here and edit them if necessary. Next, add your invoice number, select the suitable category, and enter the memo. Add any attachments, comments, or remittance using the corresponding buttons. Once you are satisfied with the information, click on ACH or DD Now button to process the payment. Before proceeding with your first payment, using this new card, upload images of both the front and back sides of your card and the invoice. After completing these steps, click on Next. Then add your signature. Click Verify button. Your payment is successful. Similarly, you can select other required payment methods from the drop-down menu to make transactions using your preferred card. The transactions associated with the chosen card will be displayed here. To review the transaction details, click on the eye icon. If you need to make any changes to your payment, click on the three-dot menu for editing options. You can also filter the list using the available tools.